pull you back. Okay. Hold on!
I didn't know that.
Let me get on the back.
I didn't know that. I didn't even know.
Do not tip like that. It's so hot. It's like 70 degrees. Hey, hit the brakes. How about you hit the brakes? Now, okay, now go. Don't tip. Go that way, yeah. Okay, you're good. Okay, you're good. Okay, can I drive?
No.
I promise I'll give you my phone and you can play talking talk.
Oh.
You can just run over. Who cares? I'm just kidding. Just don't do it. Let me pull you back.
Yeah.
Turn the other way and go through the grass.
Okay.
Hey, you're not on. Up.
Now you had to push me again.
Okay, now turn that way.
Yeah.
Okay, do not sit.
Wait,
I'm gonna get off now.
I want Tommy.
Okay, okay, hold on. No. Okay, go drive. I'm recording you, so don't even think about running over me. Ah! I'm recording you. Ooh. Hit the brakes lightly and you'll go screechy screech. Ooh. You're screeching all over the place. Hey Seth, while you drive your four-wheeler, I'm going to do a garage door up and down. I know. This guy's... So this video is going to be titled, I guess, Seth riding the four-wheeler and garage door going up and down. That's a weird title. But, without further ado, let's go. Pretty loud. What? Okay. Let me just finish recording and I'll be on my way. So, yeah. Down again. Popping again. Ooh. Yeah, I guess that'll wrap it up, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you later in the next one. Goodbye.